from different background, I have something different for you. Make a table to compare 5 best stocks or national stock exchange with the highest return in the last 5 years, year-wise. So those who are investors like me, they always look for such things. They want unbiased report. So let's see, it can make a table for me. So it will give you caution about like, so it is not giving directly. It has said you do it on your own. I don't have the ability to live stock. So what I will make a little change. Last 5 years, year wise, say from I'll prompt change from 2017 to 2021. Let's see what it does. So it has done it. So you have to change the prompt accordingly. So if you have invested in Reliance, it gave so much, so much, so much, so much. You can see in 2020, maybe because of COVID, the return was reduced. So now you know where to invest for the last 5 years from 20 to up till 21. Reliance, TCS, HDFC, Infosys, Bajaj Finance Service, FinServ. These are the shares which wherein you can invest. The best was Reliance, and believe me, I always invested before your ChatGPT. I knew that this is going to give a lot of returns. So that's how things you can use for different domains. So I have something different now again. Can you help me to understand the concept of machine learning for my computer science class? Give some references for further study materials, also some live examples. So you are going to begin this. Let's see how it helps you to build your concept. So it gives the concept. Those who are learning this on their own, they understand what is supervised learning, what is unsupervised learning, what is reinforcement. Now, this is what you use the machine learning, where you use it gives all example. It is fine. But now point is, can it help me to study all this? Is there any prompt from where it can, engage me the entire summer? Yes, we can do it that also. So I'll show you what prompt you can use to understand, to study in the summer. So I'll make that prompt for you, and then I made a prompt. See, make a plan in the table format weekly to learn Python from the scratch this summer for about 2 months. Also, you can suggest some reference books and MOOCs available for free. That's a beautiful question, and see the answer what you get. Surely, here is a weekly plan. So how you have to study, it generates the weekly plan. Week 1, introduction to Python, download and install, try to understand the variables, operators, and the crash course you can do. This is Code Academy's Python course. When you want to study control flow, then you have to practice these function. You can read this book. Then data structure, it suggests you to do some Coursera's Python data structure. File input, output you want to study, go to the Udacity and introduction to Python program. Udacity is again a MOOC website. You can study, or if you want to have a book by Charles Severance, there is a book, and you get for 8 weeks the entire it has done. It has given you a final project which you can pick up from Python project book by Laura Castle and Aslan Gaur. So it has given you everything how you can plan. Now problem is how to plan it on daily basis. This is weekly. Can I get something on daily? Yes, we can do that also. I created a prompt. Can you give a breakup of the above plan day-wise? If I ask this question, see the answer to this, how beautifully given. So here comes day-wise. So first day, you have to study introduction to Python data types. On second day, you have to study this. Week 1, week 2, go ahead like this. So you can plan your summer right now. After this class, you can plan your summer that what you are going to study. Some of you may be interested in real analysis. They can pick up some course in real analysis. Some of you may be interested in data analytics. They can pick up a course in data analytics. Some of you may be interested in R. Study R. It will get you all the references. So it has given the reference material also here, and it can give you anything, whatever you feel. So this is how you can use it. Now, those friends, those students who are very much into, who are YouTubers, they want to create a video, write a video script, minimum 500 words. I'm writing 500 words because it can write for anything. You can make it 5,000 also. But since it is a class, I want to finish it quickly. So I'll say 500 words, including a video title, video description, 5 keywords, an intro, an outro, and a voiceover in English. Sentences comprised in this are astrophysics, physics, astronomy. And my video title is, Can a Planet Like Earth Exist? So you see it has started writing the video description. So if you are making a video, you can make this as an intro. This will be voiceover, and during the voiceover, what you have to show, it will also suggest you that also, that during the voiceover, what you can do, during the intro, what you can do. It will suggest you everything. So outro is this, and you can create. And these are the references. These are the MOOCs you have to study before making a video on, does a planet exist? I mean, if there is any life beyond our planet Earth. So you can go through it. It will write everything. I made a very small, you can make a large. Large one means that you can make for 5,000. It will tell you that what pictures you have to paste. It will suggest you that. So those who are YouTubers, they want to write something, they can take help of it and it can write. Okay. Now, my question is, I have got a paragraph. See, this is the paragraph which I have picked up from internet, but you can write your own paragraph. A greenhouse is a building used to grow plant. It has a lot of English mistakes. Lot of English mistakes. See, there are underlines. It is making underline as well. Now my prompt is, I'm going to give a prompt. Correct the following text grammatically, stating suggestions in the bracket, and give after each sentence also suggest paraphrasing wherever necessary, which means that I need to paraphrase it because the English which I have written is not word. If you want, you can change the English as well. So when I prompt this, you see, it has started writing. It is writing with a suggestion and paraphrased it. So is also suggesting that don't use structure instead of building to avoid limiting it only to buildings. Use trapping instead of does not allow. So it suggests you better words which I have written, and it has also done also corrected it. So grammatically also overall corrected and paraphrased text is this. Now there is no, there is no point of using your Grammarly and your Quillbot, because it does both the things for you, and that too, and both the things. It has paraphrased and it has checked grammar also. So you can take care of this. There, the prompt I have written. This is a little bigger prompt. I can share with you, but this prompt is much better. What a simple prompt is there. See, I have written correct and I highlight all the grammar and language mistake in the text above, even the small mistake. So I'll remove this. Provide a detailed explanation for each mistake and be precise as possible. Use all the grammar knowledge you have and rewrite the text with correction. In a separate topic, tell me how I can optimize this text. What are some parts I can summarize? What can I add to make it even better? Answer all questions above in a detailed manner. In a different topic, provide 3 variations of the text, applying all feedback you gave. Strictly follow the specified order when correcting. Organize it in a chart so it is easy. Now see the prompt. Such a beautiful prompt it is. It can do a lot of things for you. You see. You see the outcome of this. You will be amazed to see. See, it is writing where you have made mistakes. You cannot write sums like this. It has to be like this. Word effect is wrong. It has to be effect. Heated should be replaced by heating. Then it has explained why it is being replaced. It has given hint for every mistake. It has rewritten it, and it is now optimizing the text. And it is giving you variations also, like you can vary your text like this. You can have more. Many a times it strucks. I have. You can always write a prompt continue, which means that it forgets that there are other variations, so it will start doing it. So continue is the term you should remember. If it is stuck somewhere, it will start again. Not from the beginning, but from where it left. So variation 1, variation 2, you see, it rewrite. So the paragraph it has written in 3 ways. You can pick up the best one and you can rewrite it on your. So it can help you like this. Now, a very practical prompt. Very practical prompt, and you will enjoy this prompt. I am a student of Ramdas College, seeking permission to attend the training program at National Sports to be held at NIS, Patiala. Please write a letter to the principal of the college in 300 words in Hindi language to allow me to take a week's leave to attend the classes in the college from April 17 to 24, 2023 to participate in athletics. This training will help me to improve my skills and prepare myself for national event to be held during the summer vacation in Chennai. So, given all this information, it will write Principal Ramdas College, Delhi महोदय, मैं आपके कॉलेज का छात्र हूं और ये सूचित करना चाहता हूं कि मैं नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स में शामिल होने जा रहा हूं। इस ट्रेनिंग को नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स पटियाला में करने जा रहा हूं। इसलिए मैं आपसे अनुमति चाहता हूं कि मुझे 17 अप्रैल से 24 अप्रैल 2023 के बीच एक सप्ताह के लिए कॉलेज से छुट्टी। यह ट्रेनिंग खेल कौशल और सुधारने और मैं अपने आप को एक राष्ट्रीय इवेंट के लिए तैयार करने में मदद करेगा, जो चेन्नई में गर्मियों की छुट्टियों के दौरान आयोजित होने वाला। मैं निश्चित ही मेरी छुट्टी स्टडी को प्रभावित नहीं करेगी और मैं ट्रेनिंग के बाद संभवतः बेहतर ढंग से परीक्षाओं में उत्तीर्ण हो पाऊंगा। आपसे निवेदन है कि आप मेरी अनुमति दें, मुझे अनुमति दें। अब यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है, यू हैव टू करेक्ट योरसेल्फ। आप मेरी अनुमति दें नहीं, मुझे अनुमति और मुझे छुट्टी देने की बाद आपका विद्यार्थी। कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट माइनर मिस्टेक्स आर देयर। मेरी छुट्टी स्टडी को प्रभावित किया, मेरी पढ़ाई को प्रभावित। यू कैन रिप्लेस सर्टेन वर्ड्स बिकॉज इट इज नॉट दैट इट इज ChatGPT 3.5, 4 is going to be better, but anyway that structure is excellent and you can take the structure. So this is how you can write letters to your principal, and principal sir will be very happy to have such a standard, standard or good English or good explanation. Some of you may ask, yeah, I need to write this language, this in English. So you can ask it to translate it into English. You want it, you can write in Punjabi as well. So I'm student of Ramdas College and I'm writing to seeking permission to attending the same thing it has written in English, and see the language it is using. I'm very enthusiastic about that text and would like to make the most of this opportunity. You can have your application as well, so it is a better clerk for you, and you can have written your English. Now there are a lot of prompts, but the useful prompt for you, which are very useful, I'm going to do that only. I'll not cover, but I'll send you all prompts which are very beautifully, curated by me. I am a student of student studying physics at Ramdas College. Write a letter to appreciate and thank the Vice Chancellor for releasing funds for our college computer lab. The college is now well equipped with the latest computer and peripherals. We can now do all practicals listed in curriculum and research using the latest. So given this prompt, it writes, Dear Vice Chancellor, I am writing this letter to express my gratitude and appreciation towards you for the release of funds for our college computer. The lab is now well equipped with the latest computer and the significant difference in our learning experience. See the line it is. As a physics student, I have always struggled with the performing practicals that require computer assistance due to the lack of resources in our college. However, with the recent release of fund, we now have access to the latest software and technology, which has made our practical more efficient. So you see the language it is being written by ChatGPT. It can help you in writing letters as well. Now, those who are a student of mathematics honors, and they must be studying either Mathematica or Maxima. So don't think that I use this here teaching in the class, but many a times when I don't find anything, I ask ChatGPT to search it for me. Refer to the tutorial and help of Maxima and standard material. Always give this prompt, otherwise it will pick up junk from anywhere any student has written, it will pick from there. So you always give this prompt. Write all commands of Maxima Cas explaining the syntax of the draw. Draw is a function. Syntax of the function draw. How to load it and draw different plots, draw 2D, draw 3D, including implicit, explicit, parametric, and polar function. So it will give you complete, tutorial. How to load it, how to draw 2D. So it gives you all commands. How to label, title, legends, color, style, everything it is giving. The explicit function being plotted, parametric function, and polar function. So it gives you command. I believe that all these commands work. If they don't, then you have to tell it that this command is not working. Please help me. Please get me the right syntax. It will try to find out the right. But if it check explicit, implicit, or parametric work. This is what my student do. They also do this, but I give such question which they don't find answer. If your teachers are, they can do this. Okay. So those who are doing Mathematica, they can also pick up such prompts. See, refer to the tutorial. Always say this. Refer to refer. Otherwise, it will refer some junk, material. Refer to the tutorial and all from Mathematica and standard material help. Write some of the important commands of Mathematica explaining syntax of the plot, example of different plot. Same thing it has to do. So it will do for Mathematica. It gives a small introduction and then it starts. So you can pick up. It will not plot for you because plotting is not available here, but it gives you these command and these. So that's good. You can do it. Okay. Now, I'm going to, finish it within next 5 minutes. I'll tell